vacuum videos or things on filters, bags, belts, things like that. But I want to talk to you guys about something today that's going to prolong the longevity of your vacuum that you have. Now, as you guys know, when you have vacuum problems and things like that, you can always bring it into one of our stores. We do accept trade-ins on all type of vacuums. So to do that, you can check out our Fairfax store or our Leesburg store. But something that I want to talk to you about is regular maintenance of your vacuum. So most vacuums, uprights, have belts, bags, filters, so many different types of brush rolls, things like that. When it comes to canisters, you have hoses, wands, attachments, different types of power heads, whether it be a straight suction machine or an electric machine, all of that. And then you go into your filters, bags, all that. So when we're talking uprights, the one thing that I want to remind you guys about upright maintenance is changing your bag regular. So if you change your bag regularly, don't let your bags fill completely up. What it does is it takes a little bit of strain off your motor. When that bag fills up, it inflates in the inside of the machine, and what happens is when that bag inflates, there's no air escape for that machine, so what happens is your motor can suffocate. Another thing is your filters. So anytime you start to see black residue on your filters, whether it be your pre-filter or your HEPA filter, it is time to change that filter. I also want to let all the customers know regular belt changes. Every year to 2 years, you should change your belt on your vacuum. Another thing is a lot of people with uprights have problems with brush rolls. Whether you have a plastic brush roll, aluminum brush roll, metal brush roll, whatever it is, cleaning your brush roll regularly. So every time that you vacuum, we do say that you should clean off your brush roll. You know, there's so many different ways that you can clean your brush roll and things like that. But what happens is so much hair gets trapped up in those brush rolls, it starts to go to the sides of the machine. And what happens is they can tear up your bearings. They can also lock your brush rolls up so they won't move. You can also smell a burning smell and things like that. So those things are the biggest when it comes to uprights. Now canisters. One thing about canisters is they also run off of the HEPA filters and the pre-filters. So you do need to change your HEPA filter and pre-filter every year. No matter what type of vacuum you have, whether it says that they're washable filters or not, regular filter changes are a huge thing. Anytime, like I said, same as uprights, when you start to see that black residue, it is time to change your filters. Sometimes as well, taking another vacuum and cleaning out your hose. When you hook another vacuum up to your hose, it'll pull anything out of it that could be potentially stuck in it. I know that not everybody has vacuums at home, so what you can do is just shake your hose out every so often, and just clean everything out of it that could potentially be stuck up in it. Another thing is, same with your brush rolls. No matter if you have a straight suction machine, electrical machine, almost every one of them has brush roll. Even your hardwood floor attachments, cleaning those regularly. So when you get done your hardwood floors, you can flip that power head over, or the little tool that goes onto your vacuum, and just pull all the hair, dirt, anything like that out of it. Just cleaning those things regularly. That way, it just protects the longevity of the machine. Same way with canisters with bag changes as well. Make sure you are changing your bags regularly on your canisters. I never tell customers to let their bags completely fill up. It'll do the same thing to your machine. It will suffocate it. You have to think you have filters all over the machine, as well as filling the bag up. It just puts a little bit of strain on the motor on those machines. So another reminder that we do services at both of our locations. So we do, like I said before, recommend those yearly services. We service everything from Hoover, Dyson, Bissell, Shark, Kirby, all of those vacuums. So you can always bring us into us yearly. We'll clean your machine out top to bottom, lubricate your motor, your bearings, everything like that. Make sure your machine is in great working condition for you guys. Clean it all out, change filters, just so you can protect the longevity. We know that you guys do spend a lot of money on vacuums, and they are one of the biggest household cleaning things. Nobody can clean their house without a vacuum. It just doesn't happen. So here at both of our locations, we do, like I said, repair and service all types of vacuums, whether it be a stick vacuum, canister, upright, handheld, central vacs, anything like that. So don't forget, guys, if you have any questions, give us a call at 703-997-9292, extension 1 for Fairfax, extension 2 for Leesburg. If you have questions about your vacuum, we do regular YouTube videos. We do a bunch of different videos on demos of vacuums, how to change bags, belts, filters, like that. So you can stop by our YouTube channel and like and subscribe to us there. Or you can check out our Instagram page or our Facebook page. And if you guys have any questions, you can post on our page, you can send us a message. However you'd like to get in touch with us, and we'd love to help you guys with any of your vacuum needs. We want to thank you guys again for shopping local and shopping a small business. And Ace Vacuums is always here to help with any of your vacuum needs. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.